Alright, YouTubers, running out of daylight here. Got a flashlight to show you what I'm after here. I don't know if you can see the ice on there that well. Let me see. A little bit. You can see ice. Everything else I'm not worried about. All this other stuff on here. Look at this ton of water in this thing now. It melted a little bit. Look at that. Okay. Back to this ice on here. I'd really like to close this. We just got this from a nice man here helping us out with the ranch. I just still can't believe this backhoe is right in front of me. Like, this is awesome. Awesome piece of machinery. Love it. Okay, here we go. Glasses back on. Okay, got a good little paint scraper here. Actually, one of my favorites. Good for windows. Little tight edges that require detail. If you can see it, not the best. It's really, really nice, actually. Use this whole bottle up. It's coming off pretty good. Let me show you. Pretty quick here. It's dripping now. Sweet. See if I get some of it off by hand here. 310P series backhoe, so I find it best to take care of everything you've got. The tiny little sheet still sticking out. Okay. Alright. Cool. There we go. It is a little wet, but no more ice. Now I can close this and not worry about my control panel having glitches because there's water and moisture buildup in my electrical systems underneath the control panel. Let's get up here. Alrighty. I don't even know if you can see me from over here, but I'll just bring the camera with me. Alright. Here's the control panel. In decent shape for its age. So, let me close this up. Dry off the clipboard flap a little bit more here. Still a little wet, but I don't think it'll just flow down to the bottom. Better than it was. Alright. Get the key, lock that up. Alright. And totally lost daylight right now. So that is 101 blowtorch, very easy. Later on in the show, I'm pretty sure I'll be doing other things with the blowtorch. Plumbing, removing paint from anything wood, auto body shop work, anything. Wear a mask and goggles. I believe the next videos I'm going to be doing, his priorities come first, in my life right now. So, it's going to be, I believe, a carburetor for a 2008 or 10 Easy ST400 golf cart. I'm going to get the new carburetor. I've already taken out the old carburetor, cleaned her up and everything, and it really wasn't even worth cleaning. I just wanted to try it, see if it would work. Did everything internally with the jets and everything. No go on the Easy Go. So I ordered a new carburetor for that. I'll videotape that. I believe the next video after that will be for a tractor distributor cap on a Ford 8-in, older model. And we'll see you then. Thank you for watching, YouTube watchers. Adios.